I choose TESY because of its focus to innovation. Every day we are encouraged to push boundaries to create new solutions. My workday is a mix of flexibility, collaboration and freedom to explore new ideas. TESY allows us to challenge the status quo and continuously evolve, which is what excites me the most.
I choose TESY because trust is the core of the company's values. It means transparency, open communication, and a genuine commitment to growth and support.
For me, it's the passion of the people that makes TESY really to stand out. This passion allows us to go beyond the ordinary and to create real impact in the company. The work atmosphere in TESY is filled with positivity and motivation. People here care deeply about what they do.
TESY promotes open communication and teamwork. Innovation thrives in this environment because we are not afraid to share our thoughts and work together.
At TESY, we foster an environment where creative minds are empowered to think out of the box. By embracing new ideas and approaches, we ensure that our processes are efficient and effective, enabling us to deliver top-quality products to our customers.
At TESY, I have the opportunity to lead and optimize processes that directly impact the quality of our products and the satisfaction of our customers. Our factories are the place where my passion for operational efficiency and innovation truly makes a difference.
One of the things I value the most about TESY is the work-life balance. It not only enhances my well-being, but it also fuels my productivity and creativity. It is a win-win for both me and the company.
For me, the work-life balance has been crucial, especially in this situation where I need to travel often to Portugal to see my family and my friends. The flexibility to manage my time without jeopardizing my professional goals and the time with my beloved ones is something that I truly love.
As a father, flexibility is essential for me. TESY understands that. Whether it's changing plans last minute or finding the right balance, TESY gives me the flexibility I need to succeed both at work and at home.
I am passion.
I am innovation.
I'm trust.